Alright, what's up with you guys? Your boy Kings right here. It's another day to secure your profit. Okay, so today is Tuesday, right? So in the morning we actually did pre-market analysis with my student. Okay, a beautiful morning to you guys. This is a Tuesday. Okay, so let's see what price is doing. Okay, looking at the XY right here, previous day closed as a contraction candle, right? Then to the downside, it expanded to the upside, then rejected to the downside, and today have taken the previous day low and also the Friday low, okay, right here. So it confirms that price will likely be expanding to the downside. Then the target is to take the previous week low, right? So I think this. So on EURUSD, all right, on EURUSD you can see the same narrative, all right. Previous day actually from the swing point, right? Good, but the previous day high have been taken also. Remember in the XY, previous week low is taken already. Okay, so this is a confirmation that price may be going to the upside to target the previous week high. And based on the pre-market analysis which I uploaded on the YouTube channel, my projection was that EURUSD should turn to the downside, okay, because price returned into internal liquidity and there's a flagship pattern from yesterday. So I was actually expecting price to expand to the downside, right? So what happened? The reverse is the case right now. Okay, we were able to change our directional bias. So as a trader, you need to be very flexible. Okay, you shouldn't hold your bias onto price because we are bearish. I know all the there's a lot of conditions, or should I say confluences, that actually require price to expand to the downside. All right, but despite that, there is always an invalidation, right? So that if this thing happen, you can actually change your bias. All right, and me, I'm the kind of person, I'm very flexible with my bias. Okay, so if I can bearish this morning and change my bias in the afternoon, right? That's how I trade, provided there is enough reason why I should actually change my bias. All right, so prior to what we actually said in the pre-market analysis from the video I uploaded earlier this week, okay, we are expecting EURUSD to expand to the downside, right? Because prior returning to the internal liquidity, we're expecting price to expand to the downside into external liquidity. But what happened is yesterday closed actually with swing point, which confirmed reversal to the downside. But before this morning at before the London Q zone, previous day high is taken already. So once this previous day high is taken, it's a confirmation that that swing point is actually an invalidation. Then price should continue to the upside. And on the XY, the previous week low is taken already, right? Including the previous day low. All right, so this is enough reason why I should actually change my bias on EURUSD to the upside. All right, so that's how we actually changed the bias this morning to the upside. Yesterday there was no trade. I didn't take trade. On Monday there's no trade for me. Okay, so we just took our first trade this morning in line with the direction bias, which is bullish. So I'll be taking you guys to the chart so that you see the setup. So there is no different model actually used. It's still one model which I've shared on this YouTube channel. So if maybe this is your first time watching my video, you can check the model out. Okay, maybe I'll just show it on the screen. Okay, so you can just see it. All right, so I'll be taking you to the chart so you see the entry, the conditions, very simple, and how we traded in line with the bullish bias on EURUSD. So alright guys, so this is the trade we actually took this morning based on our pre-market analysis. So this is it. See what happened on the XY. You can see before this morning this low have been taken, previous day low is taken, alright, and previous day close as a contraction candle, and the low was taken, and previous week low is taken. That's at this point. Okay, so this is what that confirmed price to actually be expanding to the downside. Okay, so the anticipation now is for price to take out this low right here. Okay, so and reverse is the case on EURUSD. Okay, so before this morning the high on EURUSD was taken already. All right, so that's why I actually changed my bias. Okay, you can see this was the other block price which formed, and it formed a swing point. Okay, so this swing point actually confirmed reversal to the downside. Then before this morning this high was taken already. Okay, so which confirmed reversal to the upside. And what is the target? The previous week high. Okay, so if you check on the XY, you see that the XY have taken the previous week low, its previous week low, but EURUSD have not taken the previous week high. So this is the previous week high here. All right, so that's the target. Okay, so with that in mind, we actually waited until there is a stopwatch in 15-minute time frame. You can see this low taken. Okay, so this low taken, and I actually posted it in my group, in my private mentorship group. Okay, so this low was taken, and I expected price to reverse to the upside. Okay, so we can see breaking market structure shift, return to this gap, and price delivered over 1 is to, or 1 is to, that is 1 is to 3.7 R. Even more than that, okay, but you know, as I do, I always target 1 is to 3 R. Okay, so I'm not that greedy. If you expand this, you see it is over. If you expand this, so this is over 1 is to 7.7 R. Okay, risky 1%, that is 7% already. Okay, so that's how we actually put price. Okay, this morning. Okay, so we delivered beautifully well. Okay, and the members actually eat, all the students, they ate very well. Okay, we actually traded together and made the most from the market. All right, so that is it, guys. Keeping it very simple, trading one pair and one entry model. All right, so we always wait. Yesterday there was no trade. Okay, so and we actually sit on our hands and price delivered without us, and today we actually waited and see a very perfect entry on 5-minute time frame, and which actually delivered in our directional bias. Okay, so that's how we do it, keeping it very simple. Okay, always waiting for the right setup and we execute 100%. All right, so that's it, guys. I'm trying to that's why I need to update us, because from what we have on previous that is the pre-market analysis, our bias is for price to expand to the downside. So I want to update you guys that we actually changed our bias, okay, based on what we see in the marketplace. Okay, flexibility is the key. Flexibility is always the key. Okay, so whenever we see any reason why we should change our direction bias, we always do. Okay, so we don't force our price, we don't force the direction. All right, we don't force the direction. Okay, as you all know, price is always probabilistic. Okay, market is probabilistic, so anything that market offers, that's what we actually trade. Okay, reacting with the market, nothing like prediction. Okay, even if we predict, we still react if market shows us any reason to change our direction. So that's it. That's how we traded this morning, and we started the week with a beautiful win. All right, so guys, to the next time. See, I'm sweating. Oh my god, my fan, I have to off my fan because I'm not using the microphone, so I have to off my fan so that it will not like generate any background noise. But it's fine. Maybe after this video I will just on it back. So that's it, guys. That's how we traded this morning, and we made over 1 is to 3 R. Okay, starting the week profitable. That's beautiful. So let's wait till the next day. Let's see if this week will actually give us 100% win rate, or whichever way. I will still update us at the end of the week. Okay, what we actually did for the week and how we actually caught the trade, trading one pair and trading one ICT model, always on repeat, guys. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to update us, all right, on what happened. So that's just it. So till the next time, guys, I wish you all good luck and peace out.